Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing good today. Today I'm gonna show you 2 ways to clone a GitHub repository into your local computer. The first one is by using the command line. Go ahead and copy the link of the URL, and then under Finder, look for a folder where you want to store your project. So I would like to do it here under this folder. Open new terminal and just write git clone and paste your URL. And here you go, it is cloning now. Let's check and see. Yes, here is our project folder, and here is our files underneath. The second way, if you're using vsCODE, go ahead and click on vsCODE. You should see here on the welcome page, clone git repository. Just go ahead and paste the link for the URL, clone from URL. And here again, you should choose a folder where you want to store your repository. For my side, I would like to store it under programming project. Select as a repository destination, and this is it. Wait a little bit, and here they ask you, would you like to open the cloned repository? Yes, open it, and here we go. My repository. I hope this video helps you. Thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.